Still enjoying bitterballen and the Dutch weather? Fallen in love with a country maybe? Or even a special Dutchman or woman? Do you enjoy Dutch parties, Dutch landscapes, or even biking? You've probably become more than interested and might wish to consider staying and working in Holland. Reason enough, because the opportunities in the Netherlands are excellent. Here are some good examples that would make your choice very worthwhile. Good working conditions, a high quality of life, attractive living environment, attractive social environment. Find out more about the key economic sectors in Holland. Holland is one of Europe's leading suppliers of chemical products and services. It is also the world's second largest exporter of agricultural products. For centuries, Dutch creativity has inspired and instructed others. Holland has an international reputation for research in renewable energy. Holland ranks 8th worldwide in life sciences and health patents. It is also the world's leading supplier of flowers, plants and trees. Holland's high-tech sector is a world leader in the development of new technologies and material. The Netherlands is a key logistics hub connecting global markets. The Dutch are world leaders in hydraulic engineering, water treatment and shipbuilding. Although you might already have some experience and a pretty good idea of what to expect, reliable, up-to-date information and useful tips are always welcome. Find information about career opportunities in Holland after completion of your studies. You can also find out more about how things work in the Dutch business culture. Find out how to find a job and how to apply, or get advice on how to start your own business. Did you know that the Netherlands has the second highest average income in the European Union? Find out what you will earn in the Netherlands. So, are you looking for a job or found one already? Learn more about residence options during your stay. Are you thinking about starting a career in Holland? Start here